Welcome to this lecture. This is the second lecture on LaTeX. So in this lecture, I am going to talk about that how we start writing a document in LaTeX. So here I am using a KILE editor. So KILE is basically editor. So if you go in the Linux, you search KILE, then this is the icon of KILE, or you can in terminal give a command KILE if it is installed. Means if you give command sudo apt-get install KILE, then it will be installed. This is the command to install. It is already installed on my system, right? So it's already installed. So in this way you can install KILE, and in the terminal you can give a command KILE, then KILE will open in front of you. Or if you search it in the applications KILE, then it will be opened in front of you. So now let us understand that how a document can be written. So this is a KILE editor which is opened in front of us. So if you go to here, you can open a new file. So I opened it here, and then what you will do, you will go to the LaTeX, and here it is a preamble, and preamble you should write down /document class, and it is the font size. Here it may be 10 point or 12 point, it may vary. So say I am writing a report, so this is a command to this. Say I am writing a report, right? So then you have to import certain packages, and the packages which you have to import, you have to import AMS packages. This is very important if you want to write down the equation. If you simply write down the text, then no need to import these packages. Now you have to start the document body. So if you start the document body, let me open some another file in front of us that will help us. This is for reference. Say if I want to write down a chapter and how things looks like, let us have a look at that. And you need to save this document. Say, sorry, before saving, let us do another thing which you have to do. And okay, let me copy this. Then you have to use another package if you want to insert figures. Then you have to give another very begin document, and you have to always write down your text in between this begin document and end document. Whatever you want to write, it should be written here, right? So suppose I want to write down chapter, say chapter. So this is, let me call it as let me call the name of the chapter introduction to LaTeX. Say it is the name of the chapter. And now let me save this document. Now you have to save this document anywhere where you want to save. So let me save this as a in the directory. Say it is already there. So first document. So let me call it as first.text. So it is the name of this file. So this is already has been saved. So name of this is first.tex. .tex is the extension of LaTeX file. So now what you will do, either you will use the command pdf latex, or you will use a command latex to compile it. So what pdf means, you go to here, or you can go to build. You have to compile it using either pdf latex or using latex. So, or you can go here. So if you simply click on latex, then it will make a dbi file for us. Then you have to convert dbi file into pdf. So from here you can convert your dbi file to pdf from not here. You go to the not project but build. So convert dbi to pdf. You can convert, right? And you can view your pdf file from here, or you may go to back where you have written the document. So here it is first. I think, yeah, it is there. It is the first.pdf which is there. So it is my pdf file. So the introduction, it's a chapter 1 is already taken care, and this is the title of the chapter. Now you can write down the text. So this is my first LaTeX document, and I am writing this document using KILE editor. Right. So in this way you can write down, say, now I want to write down the section. So here slash section, and in the curly brackets you can give the title of the section. So equations in LaTeX, say it is the title of this section. So let us write down a quadratic equation. So if you want to write down the quadratic equation, then you have to use the command begin equation and end equation, and in between you have to write down the equation. So if you want to write down the equation, what you have to do, say quadratic equation is ax square, so it is ax square. So you have to use this symbol, and this will to show the square as a subscript, 2 as a subscript, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and this is the equation which I am writing. And let me compile this as now again. So better if we will use pdf latex rather than latex, because otherwise you have to convert dbi file into pdf. So if you do, or if you click on the command pdf latex, you simply convert your file into a pdf directly, right? So let us have a look at the text, and a very beautiful text is written. See, so This is chapter 1, Introduction to LaTeX, and this is my first LaTeX document, and I am writing this document using KILE editor. And say this is the section, and this is the title of the section, and here it is a quadratic equation, right? And it is the equation number. And if I will use a command again, I am writing to write an equation without equation number, then again you have to use begin equation and equation, and say I'm using x raised to power. Say if I'm interested to write down x raised to power m plus n plus y raised to power p plus q, say equal to z. So I am writing this subscript in between curly bracket because it's not a symbol. Here it is a single number or single word, but here it is a combination of words, then whole can be written above. So let us see that how this can be written, or let me modify this. If I writing it as simply q plus p, let us see the difference, that how things will change here and here. So let us see that how things will change. So this is a way that how things will change. This whole will be sitting as a subscript, but here only q is sitting as a subscript and it is sitting as a separately. So that means where you have to use the curly brackets, you have to take care all these things. But I am writing that I am writing here that I am interested to write down the equation without equation number. So for that you have to use slash no number, then no equation number will be given. Here equation number is given, but if I have given the command slash no number and then compile it, this equation number will be lost, right? So that means this equation has a number, but this equation doesn't have a number. And all the equations are written very beautifully, and it will take care of each and everything. Then I am using a subsection. So mathematical symbols in the text. So here I am going to tell you that how some symbols are written. So see, these are some symbols. You can explore these symbols or the operators from here. And if you want to write down some symbols or some characters, special characters which are used in mathematics, either you can select from here, or you can remember their commands and you can write down. Say psi is written as, say I am using a symbol in the maths mode. So for maths mode you have to use $2, and in between you have to give the command psi. So it is psi or comma, and psi can also be written in another way, psi if it is capital, and you have to use slash psi. So let us see the output. So this is the difference, that how things looks like. Say this is small psi and this is a capital psi. So in this way you can write down various symbols using LaTeX. So this is a very brief idea how we have to write down the equations in LaTeX, various symbols in maths mode. So whatever you have to write down inside the text in the maths modes, you have to use the dollar, right? So, and everything is written between begin document and end document, right? And you have to take care curly bracket and slash, and because they are very important. So that's all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, I will tell you little more tricks which are used to write down various equations, tables, and how to insert various figures in the LaTeX document. So thanks for watching this lecture.